Speed flight is crucial in combat. Both combination of sophisticated flight controls coupled with the most powerful fighter engines ever built make it possible to reduce the F-35 speed to less than 100 knots. Coming in for your left, the Adventure Cruiser will demonstrate the F-35's slow capability. And then just as she approaches show center, you will once again feel the raw power of the engine as she lights the afterburner and accelerates the aircraft into a near vertical climb. The queen of my